Hi, this is the second anniversary of the President's Affordable Act Care and another preparation for a fight with the opposition. You know, if it was just health care they wanted to destroy, that's one thing. But they really want to destroy the President of the United States. And that's whether it's domestic policy or foreign policy, they want to get rid of this president. Well, one thing is that I've been invited to attend the court proceedings, and that's going to take care of a lot of constitutional questions that have been forcefully raised. And quite frankly, some of them have been raised by Governor Romney. I just throw that in there because this can't be political, but if you want to check out mandates, you can check him out. Having said all of that, the whole idea of trying to reduce the deficit is a serious thing that we have to deal with. But the problem is, if they believe that people God has gifted with the most amount of wealth ever in the world, and at the expense of the poorest people, and that is the lesser of our brothers and sisters, and they don't believe that they should be a sharing and sacrifice, there's something wrong with that picture. I haven't given up on saying that America's youth, who are the most vulnerable, are the ones that are signing up, and there's no draft. That's another question at another time. But the whole idea that we can reduce Medicaid and Medicare and Social Security and not believe us that it's going to cost jobs, it's going to cost money, it's going to have more people in intensive care, it's going to have more people dealing with health problems, and more people in dealing with situations that could happen when you don't have preventive care. So the truth of the matter is, our fight has just begun, and it's more than a political campaign. For as far as I'm concerned, it's a fight for the political life of the United States of America. And when you say that, if you believe, like I believe, that the whole world is dependent on what we do, then indeed it's a fight, a opportunity for the entire rest of the world. So listen, we'll be following through on all of these messages. My website is rangel.house.gov, and I want you to sign up for that. Also, you can check my Facebook. That's www.facebook.com/cbrangel. And of course, you know the tweeters at cbrangel. The most important thing is for you to monitor what's happening to our country in the press. This is far more than a legislative and political issue. We need you to be vigilant because your country is depending on you. Thank you for your friendship and your support.